Boris from Westview has a question about a holy floor.
Well, it's actually...
Is it Sunday?
Well, it's holy for Boris every day because
Okay.
it's a small section of a commercial building that was once a porch. Okay. Boris writes, it's now an inside showroom with 4 walls and a ceiling, so it's no longer an outside area. My problem is that we get a lot of moisture smell, and gaps in the wood deck allow creatures to come through. He says creatures, not critters, so I'm not sure exactly what it, that kind of thing, but... We want to keep the deck, but get rid of the smell and the creatures. Should we apply foam, a vapor barrier, maybe some sand or something, or just place concrete to create a small slab underneath it? What say you?
I think the only way you can handle this is to cover it with plywood and then put down a regular floor and just get rid of the deck altogether.
So use the deck as like a subfloor?
Yeah, exactly. And so then you put your plywood down, you can put vinyl, tile, whatever you want, but nothing you can do underneath that is going to keep it would be so hard. Spraying foam, it would come through the gaps. None of that's going to work. You have to go from the top down because that's your finished area. So I say a plywood floor, probably a 3/4 inch tongue and groove, and then a floor covering of your choice. And I think you'd solve the problem. If you want to insulate under there at that point, you certainly can.
All right, but not necessarily.
Nope.
Okay.
Just can if you want.
All right. If you have creatures coming through your floor or maybe some other kind of problem at your house, feel free to send us your question. We'll help you out. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel.